Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Make.com webhooks for custom integrations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Make.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate and click on the Scenarios tab on the left side of the screen. In the Scenarios section, look for the Create a New Scenario button and click on it. You will now see a blank canvas where you can build your scenario. Click on the large plus icon in the center of the canvas. In the pop-up window, search for webhooks using the search bar. Select the webhooks module from the list of available modules. Choose Custom Webhook from the options presented. Click on the Add button to create a new custom webhook. You will be prompted to name your webhook. Enter a descriptive name that reflects its purpose and click Save. After saving, Make.com will generate a unique webhook URL for you. Copy this URL to your clipboard as you will need it later. Next, open the application or service you want to integrate with Make.com. Locate the area where you can add a webhook or an API endpoint. Paste the copied webhook URL into the respective field of your application. Ensure that you configure any additional settings required by the application for the webhook. Return to your Make.com scenario and click OK to confirm the webhook setup. You can now test your webhook by sending a sample request from your application. Check the Make.com interface to see if it receives the test data. If the data appears correctly, your webhook is successfully set up. Now, you can continue building your scenario by adding more modules if needed. When finished, save your scenario to ensure your changes are retained. Lastly, activate your scenario so it begins listening for incoming webhook requests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.